Hey there, welcome to another video. In this one I'm going to do the unboxing of the Omega Universal Computer Keyboard. So this was extremely cheap. It was in fact like it's $7 to $8. It was very cheap. And let's see if a cheap keyboard, like how is the unboxing experience, if its packaging is okay and what it comes with. So on the box you can see there are a lot of features. It's like slim and comfortable design, USB connection, USB universal serial bus, 1.5 meter cable length, Centauri TX, OS, support OS, Windows 10, Vista, XP, 7, 8, the Mi OS, the Windows 2000 I think, and the OS X, and also Macintosh. Yeah, so this is from Omega. I've actually had a mouse before from this company. It is pretty cheap, I think. I mean, it feels very cheap. So let's see how the keyboard is. First on the back. Wait. So on the back we have a lot of the same thing. In fact, there are 102 keys on the keyboard, and here are a lot of small text that I am not gonna read. I might know how to use a keyboard, so it unboxes pretty easily. This actually came with a foil, but I took it off for the purpose of this unboxing. Just it wasn't necessary. So this is the keyboard itself. Let me take this. So as you can see, it looks pretty okay, but when you start to, like, for example, look here, this L, it shakes a lot. In fact, all of them do. Look at this. It's a cheap feeling, but I personally enjoy this cheap feeling. Also, the buttons feel extremely mushy. Like, you feel some of them might just fall off, but there's nothing wrong with that. Yeah, some weird things that this keyboard has are these 6 buttons right here. I think they were supposed to be on a horizontal layout, not a vertical one, but I see that they tried to make this as compact as possible, and I think that they nailed it here. Just that when I am doing some work in Word or Excel or anything like that, when I want to press up, I might press delete. And as you can imagine, it's not a very good thing, you know, like accidental presses, especially delete, which along with backspace are the most dangerous tools. Yeah, here you have 2 instead of 3 keys, another annoying aspect. And yeah, in rest, it has everything other than 1 key, but I don't know. Oh, also it doesn't have the function key. As you can see, they are missing. This is the this is not function, this is the one with the options, you know, right click from the mouse. And yeah, this has been the unboxing. Oh wait, it actually came with one more thing, an adapter from USB to micro USB, and with this you are supposed to put your keyboard and pair it with a phone. It actually came here pretty rusty, but I don't think that affects the functionality. Or, no, it doesn't affect the keyboard and how well it works. Yeah, it also has a very important feature, these 2 little legs right here. This one actually came pretty loose, not with time, but that's how I bought it. And yeah, overall, nice keyboard, very good for the price, just $7 to $8, I think $7.5. Very good price, very good quality for the price. And yeah, this has been the unboxing. Don't forget to check my other videos about tech related products. And yeah, See you at the next video. Bye.